supercar content is coming soon, but I gotta tell you another thing as far as you know, with this Z thing. And welcome back to the channel and welcome to another exciting episode of Extremes Out of Whip. Not that exciting, but I'm gonna show y'all something that's a very freaking pain, yo. But let me show you what I'm talking about.
Alright, cool. So let's make our way back to the daggone car. I forgot, I should have turned the wheel to the side from before, but I don't think I'll be able to reach it. But these wheels are big. Let's see if I can grab it, because it's not that far in. It's right in here, and then this shit right here. Yeah, see the balls is connected to it though. This is for the HID bullshit, you know, for the bulbs and all that other goody. And if I could take out the whole entire thing, this would be good. Okay, I could take out one. Trying to see if I can get the other one here. This may take like 9,000 years to get this crap out, cause okay, here we go. I almost got it out. And then the ballast, which is this thing right here, these always go back after a while. So the way how this was modified, like they did like a whole conversion. So if you gotta find something that's appropriate that goes inside this thing, because they did like a lot of wiring, cutting, and all this other crap. Make sure the wire is nice and tucked in there. That's just about it. So yeah, so this is the thing. So only that side works over is a little bit dim as hell. So we're gonna do a conversion to where we can get rid of these bum ass ballasts and get some LEDs in here. But now I gotta go hunting to look for the damn thing. That's pretty much it, and that's like the ultimate challenge.
Alright, now that we are back in the booth though, and today is like my long day of work. I know y'all tired of hearing the Z a little bit sometimes, so hearing about the Z a little bit sometimes, but this has to be addressed because me riding around with just one headlight for the whole entire week is ultra annoying. So for today's mission, we gotta find, I mean, we could order it from Amazon, but I really don't feel like waiting because the fact that it's winter time, it gets dark earlier. After a while, cops see you with that one headlight, they're gonna pull me over. I think the only thing that saves me is the fact that I got the other headlight plus the 2 extra fogs on the bottom. But who wants to drive like that? True. It's highly not recommended, especially for nighttime driving. If you're going deep up north or somewhere and they don't got like no lights on. So with that being said, hopefully you know, this day will go by quick and I'll be back. It's gonna be like another 8 hours. Well, for the video it's gonna be like a couple of minutes though, but we'll be back though. Hopefully we can find something later.
Alright, we are back out here with it, trying to get this other building homemade. It says something about the harness with a back connection or something like that. So we're about to open this hole. Things that you gotta do. Using my hand to hold this thing up. Here we go. I got you. Short. Who knows?
Where's the battery?
Oh, the battery's over there.
Where's the light? You don't have power.
Oh, either that or a cable came loose. I think that green's supposed to go with that green. I thought that has something to do with it. You'll see it. It's one green.
Look at the light. The light.
Okay. Hold on. So I have that power on that side. How did that happen? Crazy mess. Look at that. Nothing but a mess here. Nothing but a damn mess.
Oh, you have one fuse broke.
One fuse?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, now you have one fuse broke.
All right. What a mess. Oh, the fuse box is over here. Where? Right here. Okay. It's like that for now because of the setup of the battery, but I'm gonna change it back.
Put it here. No more fuse.
Alright, mission accomplished. So alright, we did this one. I'm gonna come back again and then we're gonna do that one. I'm gonna buy the ballast for this side. And then maybe I probably could do this side myself. Because the ballast is located on top right here. So I'm gonna come back again and definitely buy another ballast. Since it was wild cheap, I only paid like 20 bucks. So yeah, so this side is done. Now I gotta do this side because this side is not so bright versus this side. You can see the complete difference, but yeah, we got power. We got all lights back on. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, I know it has been actually 2 days later because I got super busy over the weekend. But to make a long story short though, as far as with that situation, I had a bad ballast that went bad on the passenger side. So I definitely had to replace that. Luckily I got off with that. It cost only $20 since it's old technology, I guess. I mean, people still use HIDs, but now everybody is transitioning into the LED lights. So we have that, and then I gotta do the driver's side ballast because I know I can make that side brighter. I might be able to do it myself because the ballast is in the engine bay, somewhere by the radiator, but it's not on the radiator. I'm gonna have to show y'all in another video. And I've still got the supercar content coming to y'all. Just been a busy few weeks, trying to get stuff together. Also with this car, we gotta make sure that it is running. Not sure y'all can see it back there. Yeah, y'all see it. So sorry that it has taken a while though. So with that being said, I'm gonna leave it off, on this note, because I'm back on the job and it is Monday and I did that Friday. So yeah, I'm definitely behind in schedules and all that other good stuff. So as always, you like what you see, like, comment, browse, and I will see y'all in the next video.